Okay, very quick look at a couple of trades I took, and then I'll do a quick review of the markets. This is the Dow with the fib level up here on Friday's action, and we slammed straight into this daily pivot at the open, put in within about 10 minutes, put in a reversal bar under there, and then we are still into the close, still selling. So this market is very, very weak, and the pound yen did pretty much the same thing. After the Dow open, we put in this little reversal bar on a fib level, and then we sold the rest of the session. So where does that leave us? So on the daily Dow, we are now. I thought we got a bit of a bounce here, but we just broke on Friday's low, and here we are back down here again. If we could see, I think that is 550. Let me have a look. If we see 525 even, assuming we don't rally into the close, and we're in 45 minutes left of the market, then this level here, 520, is the next area to short on the Dow, and the S&Ps are just equally lower, and the Nasdaq is got a huge seller's bar as well. To be honest, I mean, judging by all the stock scan I've just done, these indices are lagging because the stocks have been selling for a good couple of weeks now. Forex, this pound yen is right on 50%, or just narrowly underneath it. So I would look for a pullback to 645, and the euro yen is nice and weak, and that is a short of 745. If we see 745 again, not sure we will. Okay, so we seem to be heading for 135 on the euro yen, and we are heading potentially for 161, 160 on the pound yen. The dollar pairs, pound US is definitely weak. That's a short at 163.50. And the euro yen, sorry, euro US, it's had a bounce. So still some strange things happening in the market. I think we've got rates for ECB and Bank of England on Thursday, and the market is pricing in a potential cut on the repo rate for the euro market. So that could, if they leave base rates the same, a cut repo rate, the market might see that as positive intervention and yank that back up again. And we've got US jobs on Friday, so we need to be aware of that. Not trading the Aussie US, that's got rates overnight or early morning on that one. That's in a big box, so I'm standing aside. And oil it's just between the 50 and the 200 EMA, so that is not easy to trade, so I would stand aside. The sugar, it's had a decent move here, so if over the last couple of days, so if you get a pullback to something like down there at the top of this bar, which is about 1525, I'm not sure you'll see it, but if you do see it, that could be quite a good move, because that is now not drawn that very well, but we've got a nice bottoming pattern here, a big move up. We just need a pullback now, so to see if that can get up to this level up there. So I think the sugar is not bad. Beans have done okay, but the risk-reward ratio is not. We're under the 50 EMA, we've got the 200 just above us. It's not great. Corn. Again, we're just crashed into 50 EMA and selling. If we pull back here and hold at 430, I would consider buying. We are coming into the season for these commodities, so I will keep a closer eye on them. And that's it. Well, I'll do a quick review of stocks and stocks I'm interested in. So that's the end of the line for Forex and commodities. So if you're interested in stocks, stay viewing. If you're not, I bid you farewell. And stocks I like, obviously I'm looking for shorts because the market is so bearish. And this one, EA. Electronic Arts, I think it's worth a shot, but I would be very careful. I would look, if we close here, and it does look as if we are, I would look to short that area there with a stop just above there, because if this turns out to be huge resistance it can't break through, we could come down and fill that gap. So I would look to short at 26.20. On EA. SNDK, this is another nice stock, but we are in a very bearish market. Okay, so this one, if you get a short at 68.50, you'd have to have a stop at 70.30 to see if we can fill the gap and come right the way back down here. Okay, TRMB. I think that's too far gone. See what you think on TRMB, Trimble Navigation. If you get a pullback on that, we have got decent support down here. It's not for me, but see what you think. TRMB and HAR. Nope, I'm leaving that. DVN, now oil is coming off. Some of the oil stocks are good. DVN, Devon Energy, that's a pullback for 58.56. You're going to need a stop at 59.80 to see if that can make another leg down. 58.60. Keep an eye on iGas. Yeah, this is holding up in a very bearish market, so I think I'm going to enter at 127.50 or 60 to see if that can recover. That has got relative strength. The other one I like is this SCTY. It's messy, but if you short at 72.10 with a stop at 76, that's quite a high stop. Again, see what you think of that. Solar City Corp SCTY. Okay, I'll leave the video there and see you in the room at 8 o'clock.